What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I lace up my Bel Air files or Gold Screen files, whatever you know them as. This is, I'm unlacing these, just a brand new dead stock. Go from the black laces to look like this, double laces. I wish I would have brought pink laces, so this other tongue is green and the other one is pink, like a hot pink. It would look fire if it was like hot pink and black. Mix them up like that. Well, in this video I want to show you how I lace these up. At this moment I wish I had my stand, but yeah, I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, which will show you. Well, you gotta remove the black laces first, and then you're gonna put them side by side. I guess I'll show you in the next one, but yeah, this is the original laces that came with the shoes off, and then we're going to combine them together and I'll show you how I do it. Alright, once the laces are off, you're going to put in the green one first. Well, this is how I want it. The green one first and then the black one, because I want the black to overlay the green so it doesn't stand out so much like that. So when they're placed in the shoe, give me 1 second because I have one hand. I'm trying to have a stand. So you will put this one in first, and then as this one is in, you will enter the black one over it. Then you'll pull them in. It should look like this. See how it's underneath. Then, fortunately for this shoe, it has two holes for you to lace them up. So I would do on this one right here, I will do the green, and then on the outside I will do the black one. So it'll look something like this once it's laced up. Remember, I'm using one hand, sorry. So it will be like that. Okay. Alright. So I laced up the one side. Now I'm going to do this side like that. Remember, green on the inside, black on the outside. So it should look like that. And then we'll continue to the next one. And once we get here, we're going to do the same thing we did right here at the bottom. Double lace them in, and then we'll continue on to the top. Give me 1 second. I'm going to lace them up until I get to about here. Alright, this middle one can be a little rough, so this is how I did it. I put the black one in first because I want the green one to overlay the black one once it's pulled. So put the black one in first, then the green one kind of like behind this as it's going through, and then you pull. Remember, I'm doing this with one hand right now. This and the other side, you start lacing them up. The same thing you did on the other side. The inside, the outside, unless you like it vice versa. You're going to continue on until about here, then I'll show you how I lace them up with the actual lace lock. This is going to be like probably like one of the hardest part, other than the double lacing here on those points. Alright, so right here, right before the lace lock, you're going to do this, but instead of going through the outside, you're going to go through the inside. So instead of going inwards, you're going to put these like from the inside to come out. I wish I had a stand right now so I could show you. Let me see if I can do it one hand. At least you can have an idea of what I'm talking about. So this one will go here on the outside, and then you do the green one right there and pull out. Remember, it comes outwards. See how these are going inwards? This has got to come. Alright, it should look like this. And then, that's what we got so far. Then we're going to place the lace lock right here. And you know the rest. Well, this is going to be kind of tricky because you put in 4 in here. Forgot to mention, as you're lacing up, make sure that these are kind of even, so you don't have one super longer than the other, or you can adjust them a little bit. And yeah, 1 to 4 in, should look like that, and then you just adjust them. I wish wish this one would have got the hot pink laces. It would look better since that's green, this is pink. But yeah, like and subscribe to our channel. And if I do lace up more sneakers, I will post more videos, and hopefully I'll have a stand by then so you can see everything that I do. But yeah, thanks for watching.